The muffin method is when all ingredients are mixed at once. The other three methods for Quickbreads are creaming and biscuit method. I'm going to make one batch of dough and divide it in half and make the blueberry and orange muffins. But to start, I'm going to have my friend Austin help me with the next step of zesting the lemon and orange.
I'm gonna zest.
In a large bowl, I'm going to whisk together my dry ingredients. 2 cups of gluten-free flour, and you can use regular flour if you want. 3/4 cups sugar. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now you're gonna whisk it until everything is mixed well. I will cut the orange using the rondelle cut. Rondelle means round, so we want to keep the orange slices circular and keep them thin as well. So we're going to do gluten-free flour, and you can use regular flour if you want, but there are people who have allergies to gluten, which is a protein found in wheat. And you could use other flours, but I'm going to use a gluten-free all-purpose flour. And the other types of flours you could use is rice flour, potato flour, and topeka flour. Now I'm going to put these oranges in 1 cup of water in a medium saucepan with 1 1/4 cup sugar. Today I'm going to have my friend Alice help me. Now I'm just mincing the lemon zest because it was a little too large. Over here, we are going to let the water and sugar candy first before adding the orange slices in. You want that at medium heat. So she's going to watch that for me. Now, we're going to finish our sugar. And we want to now add 3/4 cup milk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, lemon zest, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. And then we're just going to whisk that all together. Just like that. Now we are going to separate the batter in half. We're going to use 1/2 for the blueberry and the other half for the orange muffins, like I said earlier. Now that I have the 2 batters separated, I'm going to start with the orange muffins, and my friend Austin is going to help with the blueberry muffins. Now, Austin is going to add 1 cup of blueberries, and he's just going to fold those in to the batter, because we don't want to crush the blueberries. While he's doing that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice, once this starts kind of boiling, we are going to add the orange slices in. Once those are all in, we are just going to let it simmer for about a couple minutes until the oranges are translucent through the center. Put our batter into a muffin tin lined with muffin liners. Now, I want to add 1 1/4 cup of each, and we're gonna split in half. So we have 6 orange and 6 blueberry. Now we're going to put it in our oven, which is preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna add these muffins in, and they are going to bake 18 to 20 minutes. We're going to be making the coffee glaze for the orange muffins. We're going to use 1 cup powdered sugar and 1 1/2 tablespoons. Now we're just gonna add the coffee to the powdered sugar, and we're gonna whisk that together. And we're gonna keep whisking until it is smooth. And we're gonna have it smooth, no clumps, and it's going to be this brown color. Alright, our cupcakes are done. They're ready. So now we're gonna come over here and put on all our toppings. So for the orange, here we have our candied oranges, and we just cut them into slices. Well, first let's put the coffee glaze on them. And then for the blueberry, this is optional, but you can add sugar. And come back soon.